Your brain is losing its edge. Not because you're getting older, but because of three daily psychological toxins you probably don't even notice. The scary part? You won't feel the damage happening until one day, deep thinking starts feeling almost impossible. Have you ever tried reading a long article, but somehow watched short clips for hours? That's not laziness. That's your brain adapting. You're training it to crave instant stimulation and avoid anything that requires effort. Here are the silent brain killers you need to break. Trap number one: dopamine flooding. Every time you scroll through endless feeds, your brain gets hit with rapid, unpredictable rewards. A new video, a new notification, a new piece of information, over and over again. Your brain starts expecting constant stimulation, and slowly, your tolerance for boredom disappears. Deep work starts feeling painful. Your attention breaks into tiny fragments. You jump from thought to thought without finishing any of them. Scattered focus creates scattered intelligence. This isn't just a saying. Your brain physically adapts to what you repeatedly do. Think about this. When was the last time you solved a difficult problem? Without checking your phone? That uncomfortable urge? That's your brain asking for the stimulation it has become used to. The worst part? You mistake constant activity for productivity, while your ability to think deeply gets weaker. Trap number two: celebrating sleep deprivation. Some people wear exhaustion like a badge of honor. They think sleeping less means they're working harder. But your brain doesn't work that way. During deep sleep, your brain performs critical maintenance. It clears waste. It strengthens important connections. And it organizes memories. Without enough sleep, your thoughts become slower. Your decisions become harder. And simple problems start feeling overwhelming. Sleep isn't wasted time. It is cognitive repair. So why do we treat exhaustion like success? Because this mindset quietly destroys your mental performance. Get your sleep back, and your clarity comes back too. Trap number three: the multitasking illusion. Your brain is not designed to handle multiple demanding tasks at once. It switches, and every switch comes with a cost. You feel busy, but your brain is constantly restarting. Notifications, messages, tabs, random distractions. Each one pulls you away from deep thinking. And the more you practice shallow attention, the harder complex thinking becomes. You feel productive, but your brain is just exhausted. Multitasking doesn't create mastery, deep focus does. The biggest ideas, the best solutions, they come from uninterrupted thought, not constant switching. These three habits are quietly reshaping your brain, but here's the good news. Your brain can adapt again. The same plasticity that created the problem can create the solution. The brain you have tomorrow is being built by the choices you make today. You don't need more willpower. You need a better environment. Make focus easier. Make distraction harder. Because the moment you reclaim even one habit, your brain begins changing. So ask yourself, which one of these traps has been controlling you? The endless scrolling, the lack of sleep, or the constant switching? If this gave you an aha moment, share it with someone who needs a mental reset. Subscribe to Brainithic, because every week we uncover the hidden psychology shaping your life. Your best thoughts are still ahead, but only if you stop giving control. To invisible habits, your journey back to a sharper mind starts with one uninterrupted hour. Protect it. Start today.